Hi, welcome to our explanations for the workshop that regards the project called Civic Engagement. Today, we will explain the workshops within the topic of tolerance named Debate on the Border Wall with the Icebreaker musical chair. This workshop aims to improve the participants' public speaking skills while also respecting and listening to others' point of view. Through the debate, participants will discover how to successfully build an argument and to apply their quick thinking. Before we start, let's take a look at the icebreaker called musical chairs and what requirements there are. For the icebreaker called musical chair, these are the requirements you need. This icebreaker will take approximately 10 to 15 minutes to execute. Recommended amount of participants are 10 to 15. You need a number of chairs that is one less than the number of participants. Additionally, you need a speaker, as well as a big area in which to do it. Let's get going. Put all of the chairs in a circle in the middle of the room with the backs facing each other. Then start playing the music in the background. Participants will now move around the circle of chairs in rhythm with the music. Feel free to encourage them to dance their heart out in order to break the tension. When the music stops, all participants should as quickly as they can try to find an empty chair in which to sit. As the number of chairs is one less than needed, someone will not be able to find a seat. This person is eliminated and will then move off to the side. After each round of elimination, one chair is removed from the circle to always keep the number of chairs one less than the number of participants. Tighten the circle and start the next round. This game then continues up until everyone but 2 participants have been eliminated. In the last round, they are running around only one chair, creating a very intense and fun moment. Encourage the other participants to cheer them on as they go, and a winner is crowned. For our icebreaker called Find Your Name, there are not a lot of requirements. The time needed is only approximately 10 minutes, and this can be done with however many participants you want. Really, the only materials needed is a big space in which to act out the icebreaker, making it a very simple workshop starter. In order to start out the workshop, all participants should line up in a big circle. Then, participants will start walking around the room. They will go up to someone and shake hands. When they do this, they will also exchange names. For example, Maria and Lucas in this shot have introduced themselves and have after that now switched names with each other, meaning that Maria is now called Lucas and Lucas is now called Maria. The icebreaker then continues, and participants move around the room and exchange names with one another. The goal for the icebreaker is for you to once again find your own name that you started with. This may take a while, depending on what luck you have. When participants have finally shaken enough hands that they have found their own names again by changing it with someone who had it, they will sit down on the floor. This icebreaker is timed, and you want to finish as soon as possible. The icebreaker is over once all participants are sitting down on the floor. For our icebreaker string game, these are the requirements. Time needed is approximately 15 minutes, and it works well to play with 10 to 15 people. In terms of materials, you need a bowl with a lot of different pieces of string cut into different lengths. Some should be very short and others very long, and some in between, of course. Other than that, you only need an open space in which to perform the icebreaker. Start out by going around the room with the bowl filled with the strings, and letting each participant pick a piece of string without knowing what for. Then, let the participants sit down in a circle with their pieces of string. Then, explain to the participants what they are supposed to do, and show them like seen in the video. Each person should tell everyone about themselves for different durations of time. This duration is determined by the length of their string. By letting the string run through their fingers, participants should tell the room about themselves for the duration it takes to finish the string. Participants can be given pointers as to what to share. For example, where are you from? Favorite hobby, film, music, travel. Fun fact about you, etc. Feel free to be creative. While participants go one at a time, the group gets to know each other, but each participant is also becoming more comfortable with talking in front of the group. This sets the group up for a success later.